Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix the Battlefield 6 AutoHotkey error. Auto services for Task Manager. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for anything named AutoHotkey. Right-click on it and select End Task. Scroll further and check if any related AutoHotkey or macro tools are still running. If found, end those tasks too. Secondly, close programs that contain hidden AutoHotkey scripts. Just press Ctrl plus Shift and Escape again to open Task Manager, then go to the Processes tab. Look for programs you don't recognize or you might use hotkeys. Right-click on the suspicious process, then End Task. And after adding and ending all the AHK related and macro tool processes, restart your PC and then launch Battlefield 6 again from EA app or Steam. And the game should now start normally without the AutoHotkey error. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.